Locked out of your Google account, don't panic. This video will quickly guide you through the steps to regain access. First, head to the Google Account Recovery page. You can find this by searching Google Account Recovery in any search engine, or by trying to log into the Google product you're having trouble with, and clicking the Forgot Password link. Google will then ask you to enter the last password you remember using with this account. If you can recall it, type it in even if you're not 100% sure. Giving it a try can help. Click Next. If you can't remember your password, or the password you entered didn't work, Google will offer other recovery options. This usually includes sending a verification code to your recovery email address or phone number. Choose the option that works best for you, and make sure you have access to that email or phone. Check your recovery email inbox or your phone for the verification code sent by Google. Type this code accurately into the provided field on the recovery page and click Next. Google will then prompt you to create a new, strong password for your account. Choose a password that's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've created your new password and confirmed it, click Save Password. If the recovery process is successful, you should now be able to access your Google account and all associated services.